9 Skin sins to avoid. Keeping your skin healthy isn't always as easy as remembering to wash your face. Other factors such as smoking, sleep, and even the temperature of the water in your shower also play a role in maintaining radiant and youthful-looking skin. Make sure you're not guilty of any of these 9 skin sins, and, if you are, put an end to them as soon as possible. Skipping sunscreen. Forgetting to put on sunscreen or intentionally avoiding it can increase your risk of sunburn. Plus, it leaves your skin vulnerable to damage like wrinkles and dry-looking skin and more susceptible to skin cancer. Make wearing sunscreen of at least SPF 30 or higher a daily habit to keep your skin healthy. Overlooking moles. If you spot a new mole or one that looks like it has changed, make an effort to have it looked at by a dermatologist. Ignoring changes in size, color, texture, and shape could mean missing a smoldering skin cancer. It's also important to have a dermatologist examine moles that start to constantly itch or begin bleeding on their own. Wearing makeup to bed. Not washing makeup off before going to sleep at night can wreak havoc on your skin. Not only will you leave pollution from the day on your skin, you could also be susceptible to clogged pores, and therefore acne, or eye irritation. Smoking. Not only is smoking bad for your health, it's bad for your skin, too. A study found that people who smoked for 50 years or longer were 4.7 times more likely to have wrinkles than people who didn't smoke. Not getting enough sleep. Did you know that your skin refreshes and renews itself while you're sleeping? Skimping on shut-eye can inhibit this process. Sleeping too late can also result in puffiness or compromise the immune system. Popping zits. Try to resist your next urge to pop a zit on your face. Popping before it's ready can cause an infection or scarring and is more likely to lead to significant inflammation. That's because the popping process actually forces what's in the pimple down into the skin, triggering an immune reaction. Not drinking enough water. Drink H20 to quench your thirst and hydrate your skin. Failing to consume an adequate amount of water each day, about 8 glasses, can result in skin that appears to have more wrinkles and that's less elastic than usual. Taking hot showers. Using hot water in a shower might feel nice, but it's damaging your skin. Why? The temperature of hot water can strip skin of its natural oils and therefore dry it out. Overexfoliating. Try not to exfoliate your skin every day. Overexfoliation, especially with chemical exfoliants, can result in irritated, dry, or flaky skin. If you do exfoliate, lightly use a cream as directed on the package.